Hey, what's up, guys? Mikey Guitar is back with another episode of lesson for today. Alright, guys, so for this lesson, for today, I want to show you the chord breakdown of Stuck on You by LIONIEL RICHiE. I believe many of you know the song. Stuck on You. I got a feeling down in my soul that I can't just lose. Cause I'm on my way. Stuck on you. I got a feeling down deep in my soul that I can't just leave. Cause I'm on my way. Need a friend. I know where I feel now will be today. Cause I'm on my way. Okay, so I believe many of you know the song, and the key of that song is in the key of F. Okay, this is the key of F. Okay, so this lesson is, I think, it's mainly for intermediate players, people that can hold the bar chord. So if you can hold the bar chord, I made a video on how to hold your bar chord. You can check it on my other video. Okay, so this the F major bar chord. Okay, so the chord progressions there is F major, A minor chord, then B flat major. But I likely play a B flat sus too. I like play a B flat sus too. Then C, a C sus 2, C major sus 2, okay? Okay, that is a chord. So the chord progression there is stuck on you. You play your A minor. Okay, you can hold your A minor like this. Your A minor chord. I got feeling down. Go to your B flat sus 2. I got feeling down deep in my soul. To your C, which is your saw chord now. I can just guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad you see. Then there's a melody there, guitar melody there, something like okay. So what I'm playing is on this shape now. They're playing so they're playing re mi re do re, do la sol la do re do la sol, sol la do, sol la do re do la sol la do. Okay. Okay. So that is for the melody there, and so you keep on playing the chord. So there's a bridge I play that say, oh. Now the bridge, you go to your vowel, which is a B flat sus 2. Okay. Oh, so with mine. Then you go to your A minor. Now you play your B flat major 7 there. Play your B flat major 7. Okay? That's the kind of playing the La chord in that key of F. Okay? You play B flat major 7. Then you have stand on this A minor to B flat 7. Sorry, yes, to B flat major 7. Just like play Mi La, Mi La. Then you stand to do. I'm coming down to say, oh, stuck on you. I got a feeling down deep in my shoulder. Cause I'm on my way. Be a friend, and the way I feel now today. Cause I'm on my way. My Glen still. Okay, so that's the chord progression for that song, and like I said earlier, it's mainly for intermediate players, people that can understand the chord system. Okay, so wherever you don't understand, you can drop it on the comment section. You can go listen to the song so you can get more clarification about the song, how it sounds, and how it's been improvised. Okay guys, so see you in the next video. Bye for now.